Hey guys, thanks for buzzing in again to the Digital Wealth Hive. It's great to have you here because today we've got something super cool and exciting to share with you all. Now, you might have heard about AI and its incredible capabilities, but trust me, what we're about to dive into is mind-blowing. Imagine earning money just by using a free service called ChatGPT. Yep, you heard it right. It's like turning your AI skills into a money-making machine, and we can't wait to spill all the juicy details. Now, if you're as pumped as we are, hit that like button, smash that subscribe bell, and let's get started. We're about to uncover the secrets of how ChatGPT can not only impress you with its magic, but also fatten up your wallet. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and get ready to join the AI money-making party. Let's do this. All right, listen up. I'm going to spill the beans on how you can make a cool $500 in just 4 hours. And guess what? All you need is your phone and an internet connection. Plus, this money-making method is totally doable from anywhere in the world. So here's the deal. We're going to use Google Maps to find small businesses to work with. You can scout for these businesses in your own neighborhood or go global if you can talk the talk in the business owner's language. Trust me, this is simple and effective. Okay, let's dive into the process. First, head over to ChatGPT and sign up for a free account. Then we'll use Google Maps to locate small towns or cities with potential businesses. Once we've identified the area, we'll look for businesses that either have an incomplete Google business profile or haven't claimed their business at all. Additionally, you want to target businesses with low reviews. Ideally, you want less than 10. This will increase our chances of success. For example, you can focus on electricians in your town or in the next city. You can choose plumbers, construction workers. Remember, you can choose any business you want. The goal is to provide these businesses with our services to optimize their Google business profiles. But hold on, don't worry if you're unfamiliar with Google business profiles. Google offers a free course that's beginner friendly and takes only 42 minutes. Completing this course will earn you a certification that makes you stand out when offering your services. Did you know that businesses with a complete and up-to-date Google business profile are 3 times more likely to be considered reputable by customers? That's right. A little effort in setting up your profile can make a huge difference in attracting potential clients. If you're eager to learn more about Google business profiles and how to make the most out of them for your business, drop a comment. We're excited to create a dedicated video covering everything you need to know, from setting up a killer profile to maximizing its potential. Plus, we'll throw in some insider tips and tricks that can supercharge your online presence. Tell us what you think in the comment section below. Now, if you know someone who just started a business, maybe a friend or a relative, and you know that they don't have a Google business profile yet, they can be your very first client. Helping them set up their Google business profile can not only benefit their visibility online, but also improve their chances of attracting potential customers. By offering your assistance, you can showcase your expertise and build a strong professional relationship with them, potentially leading to future collaborations or referrals. All right, it's time to dive into the real deal. How will we impress these business owners and get them on board with our services? ChatGPT is going to be our wingman. It's going to help us create a compelling sales pitch that's authentic and relatable. We're not just here to sell. We want to establish a genuine connection with these business owners. After all, trust is the key to success in any venture. Now, here's the game changer. We won't be the pushy salesperson. Instead, we'll put ourselves in their shoes and introduce ourselves as fellow small business owners. By doing this, we instantly create a connection, making them feel like they're chatting with a friend who genuinely cares about their success. During our pitch, we'll shine the spotlight on the power of optimizing their Google business profile. We'll show them how this simple yet effective step can work wonders in reaching more customers, boosting their visibility, and ultimately skyrocketing their business growth. But wait, it gets better. We'll share real-life success stories from other businesses in their area that have reaped the benefits of this approach. Nothing beats tangible proof, right? All right, once we have our list of potential clients and our compelling sales pitch, it's time to start reaching out. You can either call these businesses or send them emails. If you prefer emailing, make sure to find their contact information on social media if it's not available on Google. But how will you get paid for your services? Simple. Create an Upwork or Fiverr account, set your prices, and use these platforms to manage your payments securely. This adds trust and professionalism to your business. If you're curious about Upwork and Fiverr and eager to learn how you can start earning from these platforms, I'll be happy to provide you with all the details and tips to kickstart your journey as a freelancer and make the most out of these popular websites. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have any other skills to offer, Upwork and Fiverr can be your gateway to a world of opportunities and income. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have. Drop a comment right now. Speaking of pricing, you might be wondering how much to charge for your services. Here's the deal. For similar projects like ours, people typically charge anywhere between $300 and $1,000. However, since we're just starting out and eager to build a stellar reputation, it's best to begin at the sweet spot of around $300. But hey, we're not bound by any strict rules here. To cater to different budgets and reel in a wide range of clients, we can get creative with our offerings. By offering distinct service levels, we'll give clients the flexibility to choose the package that aligns perfectly with their needs and their budget. And there you have it, my savvy moneymakers. I hope you found these tips and strategies valuable in your pursuit of financial freedom. Remember, making money is not just a dream. It's a journey that requires dedication, perseverance, and a dash of creativity. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about building wealth, investing, and unlocking the secrets of financial success, be sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button below. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future money-making adventures. Now, I want to hear from you. Share your success stories, money-making ideas, or any questions you have in the comment section. Let's build a community of go-getters who support and inspire each other on this exciting journey to prosperity. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep hustling. Remember, your financial future is in your hands, so let's make it a bright one together. Once again, this is the Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to financial freedom. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye.